Hello again guys, and welcome to another video. This is currently what I'm working on. It's a portrait of these new Derwent Lightfasts that I brought a few months ago. And the current situation has given me a chance to use them. That's why it's taken me so long to actually finish it, because I'm not too sure on how to do things. Well, this is going to be a really quick tutorial on how you can create these really defined highlights, because I was asked a question on how I'm creating these stark highlights in the skin, and I'm using the same method on the hair, and I thought it would be nice to show you if you're interested in that stuff, or if you're someone who's getting into coloured pencil, you might not know. I don't want it down here because this is kind of like more of a blurred out effect, and you got more focus on this side, so I need like a swoop coming in here. And then there's a few odd ones in there, so like I say, it's going to be a quick video, probably about 5 minutes, but you can go away and do what you like with it. And I usually go up and across. I don't know if that's because I'm a lefty or it's just easier that way, but so we start about there. Just take a bit of lost my words. Just take a bit of concentration. It is better to go faster than slow because you got a cleaner line. You don't get like problems like that. But all you have to do is go back in with your colouring crayon, and you can just, sort it out so it doesn't look so bad. And I've got another one here. And because she's got black hair and it blends into the background, I don't want to go over the top. It's very easy for me to get carried away with this, and it just looks stupid. It's better to be random, and it can add a lot of realism to your drawing, like these strands here, because the hair isn't just flat, it's wavy, it's frizzy, it's all over the place. And there's like little ones that just kind of branch off from that long swoop that I put in. Like I said, I don't want too many. And I'll have one here and then I'll blend them out. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do. And now I'm going to show you how I actually just blend them out so they look more like a part of the drawing. You can get rid of this. Sharpen my pencil. Basically what I'm going to do is, obviously you can see it's just black. So there's two ways you can do it. You can go back in with your black and define all your edges, or you could just use a blender, which is like it's colourless blender, and you just go over the top and it smudges the black. So I'll try both. That's all I'm doing. It doesn't take much, and it's knocking it back, so it's not too powerful, but it's still there. I think this will be really useful if you're drawing animal portraits, like a lion's mane or something, or a dog, a big fluffy dog. As you can see, it's just knocked it back and I've just got a few little tiny strands, which is all I wanted. I don't want it to look like she's, you know, stressed about being in a lockdown or anything like that. Now I'm using the black now, see if it's any better. Because obviously I made that mistake there where I pulled the paper up too much. You can just go on, pull it out a bit. You know, a strand this big as well, it'd be better if you actually make some of it completely black and just, you know, have it kind of like little dots of it, because it'll look better, look more realistic. Basically that's it. Basically after this now I'll go back in again and then like you can create this effect. Like I said, it'd be a short tutorial, probably my shortest tutorial on record, I don't know. But that's it. It's basically all this is it's a slice craft knife. I think you can just use an X-Acto knife. I don't think it'll make a difference. I think I'm just being a posh boy by buying this one because it was expensive. Well, saying that, it's not expensive, the blade's expensive. I mean, a pack like that can cost you £20, so really I think you could just do it with a scalpel, to be honest. What you've got to be is just be careful you don't go too deep, but you're basically just scratching. So like I said, you can go up and down. Like I said, I've just knocked them out and then I'll go back in again, so you can just like say, oh, I want one here. So I find it better if I go up. I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed. And now I got another line. Yeah, I don't like going down. It causes these little problems. Like I said, every time you go in, you add another layer. Knock them back out, go in again. Just keep adding another layer. But you just do it different. You don't follow the same marks you did before. Just keep adding another layer. And then she looks like she's got white hair from stress, so that's why I have to knock them back. So you can use the black or the colourless blender again. And all you're doing is you're building up all these little defined hairs. It does take a long time, but that's the point of realism. It takes patience, time. It's like my Arnold Schwarzenegger pastel portrait. I spent 3 months on that. It's only A3. I found that colour takes longer than like charcoal. Charcoal's very quick. So yeah, that's all you need to keep doing. And then I'll go back in again. Scrape out more. Different direction. Smaller marks. And it gives you like this defined look. But also, stick to your reference, look at where your highlights are. Like here, it's quite a defined line. So I'd have to go back in and literally make sure that worked. So like I said, I don't need it down this side because down here is more of a blurred out effect. All the details here in the face. Whoever took the photograph obviously did some like Photoshop work. And this photos off a site called Unsplash, which gives you like royalty free photos, so that's quite good. So So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and comment, and share as well. If you got any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and thank you for watching.